Hi, this is Eric, the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the vent assembly on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new vent assembly for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher vent assembly helps to dry dishes by allowing steam to escape during the drying phase of the cycle. If the vent assembly fails, steam and moisture may not escape from the dishwasher, resulting in wet dishes at the end of the cycle. Additionally, the dishwasher may develop mold or unpleasant odors due to lack of proper ventilation. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. Since we will be working with the dishwasher's electrical components, disconnect power to the dishwasher. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Twist the vent cover counterclockwise to remove it. If you can't remove it with your fingers, you may need to use pliers to help to grab onto it. Be careful not to damage the cover. Using a T15 Torx bit, remove the 14 screws on the inner door panel. Then, gently lift the inner door panel. Note that when doing so for the first time, the sound insulation will tear as it is glued to the inner door panel. Then, gently pull the wires, disconnecting the door switch. Next, remove the two electrical connectors connecting the dispenser by depressing the locking tabs and gently pulling the wires. Then, pull back the tape on the inner door panel and remove the wires. Set the inner door panel aside on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. The vent assembly is located here on the inside of the outer door panel and is held in place by glue. Depress the retainer on the electrical connector and pull to disconnect. Gently lift the control panel to remove it from the outer door panel. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry up on the control panel. When doing so, be careful not to scratch or damage the door. Then, set it aside, being careful as it is still connected by an electrical connector. Then, carefully and gently lift the vent assembly to pull it free from the door. Now, remove the styrofoam block from the vent assembly. Carefully pull it off to prevent damaging the styrofoam. If you need to purchase a new vent assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. Note that the vent assembly comes with the vent fan, and the seal. Please note if the adhesive from the original vent is still stuck to the door that you may need to use adhesive remover to clean it before installing the part. When installing, remove the glue strips from the part before installation. To install, first reattach the foam block to the back of the vent. Then, align the vent opening to the slot in the front of the outer door panel and set in place. Press around the vent to make sure that the glue is secured in place. Align the control panel to the top of the outer door panel and press back into place. Then, connect the electrical connector. Now, align the inner door panel to the tub of the dishwasher. Next, install both electrical connectors to the dispenser. Then, reconnect the door switch. Align the inner door panel to the outer door panel and set in place. Reinstall the screws in the door. Note that the 4 long screws go in the top middle 4 slots. Align the vent cover to the slot, then screw it in. Then, close the dishwasher's door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.